And here we are at the corner this week. That's interesting. We've had windy days and snowy days. So here's all the snow piled up. I think this is the highest the snowbank's been since winter started. And I'm gonna go on again about texture of the snow and getting it close up. We've got a cloudy day, so our snow is gray colored, all the bumps in it. Today's a milder day, so I was expecting it to be slushier, but it's not. Things have fallen, obviously, from the cedars above, so we're getting these pieces framed by the snow. Here's a big one here that fell. Let's take a closer look at that. We can get some really good greens against the white of the snow, or the silver gray-white, the snow, and the texture of the cedars in there. And the color of it always just stands out. And of course, I love seeing the geometric shapes that are made by the lines of the branches. Always so great. Talking again about the geometry, here is one of the stems. Again, the way they all, there we go, the way they all crisscross and make just these great outlines against the snow. And go in here, we can see again all the lines. These were wildflowers way back when, goldenrods. You can still see just a touch of, there's a goldenrod, the remainder of a flower. And you can see some of the aster daisies still. This used to be the aster daisies. And again, there's still the dried leaves, making just such a neat color, and all the texture that they make. But what I was looking at originally was the lines here. Making so many interesting crisscrosses in the snow. As you can see, when you put it against the black, it's not, there's our reflected water, the edge of the snow line making shapes. Okay, so let's do our sweep. Here's our corner. We're gonna go up the sky, which is a mix of sunny cloud up there. Over here's where our sun is. There's our treescape. There's the parking sign. There's that snowbank, which is taller and higher. Down across the ground and back to the corner. We'll see you here again next week. I'm gonna go take some photographs.
And now some photos from today. See you in the same place next week.